Yeah. Yeah, boy. So in the last video we bought this E90 320i, M3 of course, and fixed it, where it nearly gave me a black eye. Then we made it road legal, but there's still a few things that needs to get sorted before we can properly use it. Such as some sway bar links, PCV pipes, and a few other bits and ends. In the last video we changed the oil pan gasket and the PCV system main unit, but I didn't change the pipes because I thought they were in a fine condition, but they weren't and they are leaking. So we have new pipes and that's what we are gonna start with now. So I have bought new pipes for the CCV or PCV system. So this one, and this one. So now I need to remove the manifold again to change these pipes. Yeah. Aye. So now, just like that. And this we can put back into the oil pan. So now I put all the pipes on. Just need to put the manifold back. Kurwa. Yeah, boy. Now I can put this pipe so not forget. Aye. Okay, let's try to start it. Starting is not gonna work because there is no power at the moment. Now we can try to start it. I don't know, sounds good. There's also some sound from the suspension when you drive over bumps, small knocking sound. And I checked, the sway bar links are bad. So here I have new sway bar links. It actually came off. Here we have the new one. The new one. Beautiful. La 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 la. This is the side that was clunking. Wow, it came out. Yeah, this one. I think this is the one was making the sound. Yeah, there's a lot of play. So the summer wheels that was on the car, they were ugly and the tires were very bad. And that's why we got these wheels here. They're a bit nicer. They're from an E60 or E39, well, a 5 Series. So the ET is a bit lower, the offset. So the wheels is gonna sit like these ones, a bit more out rather than stock. And most importantly, the tires are good with a lot of tread left. For now, I think it's gonna be a lot better. Martin's Gaming is here. He's gonna do a quick run over the scratches with the polishing machine.
Since it's a very big scratch, but I think we can minimize it a little. I'll just go over it with a rotary machine and then over with a dual action. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be minimized a lot.
It's very deep.
After the rotary, we go over with dual action. Since the rotary machine left a lot of micro scratches and holograms everywhere, so you remove it with this, and then it's gonna be very nice. But it looks much better. It's not that white anymore.
So I've been driving this car for a few days now, and the other day the engine light came on. So I checked the code, and the code was 2CA2. And the 2CA2 is the heat lambada sensor, the sensor before the catalytic converter. So they're both new before CAD sensors. So here I have two sensors, oxygen sensors, and I bought a special oxygen sensor pipe, or a socket you may call. And it has an opening on the side. Sensors slide on like this. One is loose. So Now I lifted the car up so I can get access to the sensors or to the sensor plugs. You can see back there is one of the sensors, other one is a bit lower. And I did manage to loosen both of them. Oh yes, I don't need to remove the undercover to change the sensor. Beautiful. Just like that, the plug is disconnected. So here are both of the old sensors. I replaced them. Now I will delete the codes and test drive the car. No codes. What can I say? It's driving nice, fine. Not a single light. Of course it has some oil consumption because it's an old petrol. It's pretty normal on BMW petrol engines, especially these small ones, 4-cylinder. But you can't complain, it's driving nicely. It has enough power. The audio system is alright. Heating works, everything works. It doesn't have much power since it's just a 2-liter petrol, but it has enough, definitely more than enough for everyday driving. So now we are driving to Mexico. So thanks for watching this video, guys. It wasn't too much to do, but now the car is working. Everything is fine with it. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and see you in the next one.
Girl, I have these dreams of what we